Hi, I'm Jenny with Coco Daisy, and in this video, we are unboxing the stamps, dashboard, pouch, and the bonus a la carte items from the April 2026 Booked for Spring collection. Okay, we have 7 different sticker kits to share today, and I cannot wait for you to see the beautiful designs on these. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with the classic Cousin sticker kit, sized to fit proportionately with the Hobonichi Cousin planner, the A5. However, you can use these in any planner you like. And the only ones that I would say are particularly specific are the box stickers, which are the same width as a column in the weekly section of the Hobonichi Cousin, the A5 Hobonichi Cousin. So as you can see, we have a sheet that has the decorative box stickers, and then these other box stickers at the bottom that are blank for you to write in, and then a couple of different little colored flags. There is a super cute sheet of different little decorative stickers plus some phrases. We have another sheet of boxes plus some blank boxes for you to write in. There is a very functional sheet right here full of trackers and checklists and then little reminders as well. Then there is another functional sheet with days of the week, some headings, and then some icon stickers. There is also a sheet that includes some alphabet stickers, some washi type strips down here, and then also some date stickers. And then lastly, there is a sheet of our vellum stickers that have some decorative images at the top and then also some washi type strips at the bottom. So this is our classic Cousin sticker kit. The next sticker kit I'm going to share with you is our Daisy add-on sticker kit. This is not set up to go with anything specific. So if you just want some stickers with the artwork from this collection, this is the kit for you. So this first sheet includes, as you can see, some decorative images with some watercolor splashes and then some hexagons down at the bottom. We also have another sheet with a bunch of different cute little decorative stickers plus some phrases. We have a sheet of alphabet stickers in this really fun orange color. And then lastly, we have a sheet of vellum stickers, some decorative at the top and then some washi type strips at the bottom. And that is the Daisy add-on sticker kit. Now we also have our memory keeping sticker kit. Now this sticker kit is sized to fit to work with our Daisy planner, as these boxes are 2 inches wide. However, it will also work with a big happy planner. And of course, you can use the sticker kit any way you'd like. Now this sticker kit comes with a variety of stickers, including these boxes that are super cute. And then you have washi type strips at the bottom. We have a sheet of little decorative images, birds and books and all kinds of things that go along with that. There is also a sheet that includes some more boxes and then some more washi type strips at the bottom. A sheet of alphabet stickers. A sheet of little phrases at the top, plus some date stickers, some labels, and then some washi type strips at the bottom. And then we also have a sheet of our vellum sticker paper with some decorative images. And then lastly, there is also a small sheet of these different sort of prompt type stickers. So today was, delight in, reality is, those type of stickers. So as you can see, all of these stickers are a little bit larger, but they will work with so many different projects, including our Daisy planner and a big happy planner. Next up is our Bible journaling sticker kit. So you can see we have a sheet of very cute little decorative stickers. We have a sheet of different phrases in both colored backgrounds and white backgrounds. And then there's some labels at the bottom. Here we have a sheet of washi type strips, and then some date stickers at the bottom, a sheet of alphabet stickers, a sheet of different labels, but then also some note type stickers. And then we also have a sheet of our vellum sticker paper with some different watercolor and phrases and decorative images. So this is our Bible journaling sticker kit. Next up is our planner sticker kit. Now this sticker kit has a bunch of different variety of stickers, and the boxes in these are 1.5 inches wide. So if you're using a vertical planner that has a column that is 1.5 inches wide, this could definitely be something you're interested in. As you can see, there is a really cute sheet of full box stickers and then some washi type strips at the bottom. We have a sheet of just cute decorative stickers. This one that has the reminders, the headers, the hexagons, and the little labels. A very functional sheet of both dates, checklists, and trackers. Another sheet with our very popular hydration trackers, some headers, some blank boxes for writing, and then also some trackers. Then we have a sheet of our vellum stickers, which have some washi type strips and then some watercolor splashes. Plus, we also have a smaller sheet of our bullet stickers. So again, this is our planner sticker kit, and the boxes are 1.5 inches wide if that is something that is, of note to you because you're using a planner with 1.5 inch wide boxes. Otherwise, you can absolutely make those stickers work for whatever planner you prefer to use. Now, next up is our Daisy Weeks sticker kit. Now, these stickers are designed to work with our Daisy Weeks sized notebook, and they will also work beautifully with the Hobonichi Weeks planner. So there is a sheet with these decorative stickers and the headers and then some trackers. There is a sheet with the days of the week and then also some icons. We have a sheet with a bunch of blank boxes for you to write in and then also some decorative boxes. A sheet of these really adorable decorative rectangle stickers. More rectangles that have trackers and then more decorative stickers. And a sheet of our vellum sticker paper that includes stickers with the decorative elements and then also the dates and the washi type strips. So this is our Daisy Weeks sticker kit. And again, this works beautifully with our Daisy Weeks notebook or a Hobonichi Weeks planner, or if you just really like a lot smaller of stickers. And then last but not least is our calendar sticker kit. And this is just 2 sticker sheets, and it works beautifully with the monthly view in the Hobonichi Weeks planner or in our Daisy Weeks notebook. So we have the dates, the days of the week, some decorative bits, a handful of empty boxes, decorative boxes, and icons as well. So these are the sticker kits that you can subscribe to with our Booked for Spring collection. And if you would like to see more photos and digital renderings, you can see those on our website. All right, I am so excited to share these last few items with you because they are really spectacular and fun. So let's dig right in. So first of all, we have a couple of different items. We have the last handful of subscriptions and then a couple of bonus a la carte items that are available for one-time purchase in the shop. So those are not subscriptions, and I'll make that clear in just a minute. So let's go ahead and first stick with the items that are the subscriptions, and hopefully you're gonna love these as much as I do. So here's our stamp subscription. This is a 4x6 stamp set, and it was designed by In a Creative Bubble, Geraldine Tsai. And as you can see, there's lots of different images. So like the book stack, the books, but then there's lots of reading phrases as well. Very, very fun for journaling, but also for scrapbook layouts and planners and things like that. So really versatile, really fun, and very easy to use. Now, the next thing is our dashboards. I'm going to go ahead and open these up. So when you subscribe to the dashboards, you receive both the A5 size and the personal size. So you get both of these. The artwork is the same. They're just obviously scaled proportionately for their size. So let's check out the A5 because obviously they're a little bit larger and a little bit easier to see. So we have our April with all of the cute little birds. We also have This Book Understands Me Better Than Most People Do. Then we also have Bookish. And Books Make the Best Escape Plans. Only You Can See the World Like You Do. And Just Roll With It. So then I'll show you these two, not because it's necessary, because I've already explained to you it's the same art, but you know, just so you can kind of get an idea. So this size is actually really fantastic too. Obviously, for the same reasons the other dashboards are, they make great dashboards and planners. You can add them like as tip-ins and things like that to journals, scrapbooks, everything. But then also you can frame them, you can tack them up on your refrigerator, you know, those types of things. These are also would be great in travelers' notebooks and things like that, this size. So as you can see, they're just really cute and sized for personal size. So that is the dashboards, and those are also a subscription, just like this stamp set is our stamp subscription. Now the last is our pouch, and this month you can see it is a cute little tote bag. It says bookish, happily prone to disappearing into fictional worlds and forgetting the laundry exists. 2, one who considers a quiet reading nook a valid social plan, and a stack of unread books a sign of hope, not a problem. So as you can see, the back side is plain, and then the handles are these nice, durable, black, I will say like cotton. And when we open this up, it has a gusset at the bottom, as you can see right here. So then you open it up and it has plenty of room for adding all the things. So for reference, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some of the kits in here so that you can see like how much this bag would hold. I think this is just absolutely adorable. It would be so cute to like return library books or go to the library, that type of thing. Obviously, it's great for all kinds of other stuff or for organizing your monthly kits. Okay, so there's 3 kits. The scrapbook kit, the planner kit, and the deluxe journaling kit are all in here. And as you can see, there's still more room. And so then now I'm going to put also the coffee kit. You can see there's still room. And then this is the Traveler's Notebook, the Coffee Kit Traveler's Notebook. And so I'm just gonna put that in there as well. And so now it's nice and full. Obviously you could put a little pen pouch or something in there. But as you can see, it holds a nice quantity of things as well. So this is a great little pouch. Hopefully you're subscribed and this will be arriving because I think that you are absolutely going to love it. So this is the April 2026 pouch subscription. This is the April 2026 Booked for Spring stamp subscription. And then this is the Booked for Spring dashboard subscription. Now, I also have a couple of bonus a la carte items to share with you as well. And these are just for purchase. They're not a subscription. So we have a 4x6 stamp set. You can see all of these really, really adorable little cutie birds. They're doing all kinds of different things. And it's just so cute and going to be a lot of fun for using this spring. And of course, anytime. And then we have a wax seal. Hopefully you can see this. I'm going to put this down right here so you can zoom in and check it out. This simply screws on to the handle for your wax seals, and then you can create a steaming cup of coffee little wax seal to put on your favorite items. If you are a subscriber, you can add these via your subscriber portal, and all of these things that I've shared with you, you can see digital images of, you can see photos of, and projects using these as well. Now, one more thing I wanted to share with you that I'm not sure we talked about, maybe we did, it's been a few months, is with our 15th anniversary, there was a few items that we put for sale in the shop at that time, and one of those was this A5 Cheesecloth Binding Notebook. And I wanted to show it to you because I really love this notebook and I think it's so usable and wonderful, and I don't want any of you to have missed it. So you can see it has this black cardstock cover, and then inside the whole notebook is full of bright white grid paper. So this is one of the notebooks that you know and love from Coco Daisy. But one of the things that is so amazing about this with the cheesecake binding is that it is a lay flat notebook. So you can see right here, it lays flat. It's so beautiful. I absolutely love this notebook. I mean, look at that. It's so great. Anyway, this was something I'm just adding in there because I want to make sure everybody sees how great these are. They're so high quality, and this would be so amazing for journaling, for collaging, making a scrapbook in a traveler's notebook, anything like that. It's absolutely wonderful. So don't forget all of the items from the Booked for Spring collection. You can see images on the subscribe page of our website, and you can see projects, the digital images, photos, and all of that